So here we will talk about how to start with the Selenium part. Okay. And here I'm saying that learn Java first, then only jump to Selenium. Okay. So when I'm saying learning Java first, learn it properly. Right. I'll talk about this also. But as somebody asked about Selenium code, start with the Selenium part. That's what I'm going to show you right now. Okay. So to start with the Selenium part, it's better you create a project. So I'm creating right now. New, open your Eclipse, go to new and say project. And here select Java project. So I'll say next and I'll give a project name. So I'm giving a name, let's say automation. Okay, automation Selenium automation. Selenium automation. Um, okay, I can give any name. It's already there, it's saying, but I'll make it properly. Selenium automation 2023. Something like this I'm making. I'll click on the next and or let me change the name just a minute. I want to give name automation Selenium. Hold on. Selenium 2023 and I will click on next and I'll click on finish. That's it. And if it will ask you that whether you want to create this module or not, just say don't create. Okay. So if you observe here, I have this project now, Automation Selenium 2023. There is JRE system libraries, which will come automatically. And there is nothing inside the SRC folder. Okay, there is nothing here. Now, the very first thing what you should do is add the jars. So how you will get the Selenium jars? You have to go here in this website, selenium.dev. Uh, the official website is this. This is the official website. And there inside the downloads, you have, let's say as of now, the latest version is 4.14.1. So if I click here, this will download libraries, or we say jars, which is like supporting libraries to do your automation part. Okay. Um, let it let it download till the point. Let's see whether our project is working fine or not. So it will take some time to get this jars downloaded. Till the time, what I will do, I'll go to the SRC and I will right click and say new package. And package, I'm just giving a name, let's say practice and finish. So this package is created. And now I will do right click and I will say new class and I'll give just the name. Um, let's say open browser. Open browser. That's it. I want to do this thing only, right? Finish. And here, I will just say public static void main. And this is the way you have to declare main function in Java programming. Mandatorily, you have to do it if you want to execute this program. And I'll say system.out.println. Hi, learning Selenium. That's it. And I'm just checking whether my Java program itself is working fine or not. So has it executed? So let me see, show view, console view, I want to see. Yes, it's printing me this. So let me put it here, hold on. See, this is here. So this is how this is working. Now we will add libraries. Somebody is saying that we can create Maven project and we can add the dependencies there, you're right. Right. So ideally, we should create Maven project because handling the dependency is easier there, right? But at as a beginner to the Java programming, Java project, Selenium, keep the jars first, right? Explicitly, right? When you are creating the framework properly, then we will come to the Maven project and all. But as of now, understand how to add the libraries. This is also important. How to add supporting libraries, third-party libraries to your project itself. Okay. So let's wait for that. Is it downloaded? It is still downloading this. It's a big thing. There are a lot of jars there. So it may take time. That's fine. Let it finish. Let it finish. Till the time I'll talk more about Selenium. The thing is why we use this. The question is why to use Selenium, right? So the reason is, what is the reason? Why to use or learn Selenium? So what are the advantages here? So it's a freeware, okay, as well as open source. Both are different thing, okay? Freeware and open source both are different concept. But the beauty of Selenium is it is freeware as well as open source. Okay? So freeware means something which is available free to you to download, to use, right? Open source means they are providing their own core code also. If you want to, change the you want to write on your own way, you want to configure something, you can do it. It's like this. Okay. Second thing is, it supports a lot of languages, right? So language support. So it's not like that if you are good in Java, then only you can work on Selenium. Any of this programming language, if you know C Sharp, you can work on Selenium automation, Ruby, Java, Python, JavaScript, anything is fine. Okay. So there are, this bindings available, language bindings available, so that you can use any of this programming language and you can automate browser. Language support is a good thing. So C Sharp, Java, Ruby, what else? Python and JS, JavaScript. Now, browser support. So no other tool, it has, superb support about different browsers. So if you want to automate Chrome, it will work properly. Edge browser, Firefox, Safari, and some other as well. I'm not putting everything here, but this core works like very smoothly, no issue there. Then platform support. So when I'm saying platform support is, it's like you write your code in Windows, but you can run your code in other combination of operating system. So it works with Windows, Linux, Mac OS, anything is fine. So that's the beauty about Selenium. And another thing is, if you want to start automating it, from day one, you can start. The moment you decide that I want to automate a website, so it's like easy to start. I'm not saying easy to learn, right? I'm saying it's easy to start automating. That's why most of the companies, they prefer when they want to automate something quickly, they go with the Selenium. It's like this. Though there are a lot of competitors, there are maybe better automation tool will come in future, but as of now, Selenium is dominating. Okay. Now there are documentation available. So, if anytime you want to learn about something, right? There are a lot of things available here. In fact, ideally you should learn this. I read it, right? Understand how it works and all. Okay. So let's assume today what we want to do is we want to open up simple website. So for example, I want to open this erail.in, any random website I'm picking. So there is a website erail.in that I want to open. Okay. And that's it. I want to open a browser and I want to open this website through the code. Okay. Coming back to that point. So now let me see whether in my download I got it or not. So I'll go to the download. I have this Selenium jars available. Now I will extract it and let's extract this. So extraction is done. I got this folder now where all the jars available. Now you should keep this jar somewhere in your C drive, D drive very safely, right? And how to bind these libraries to your project? It's very simple. Right click on your project, go to properties and go to Java build path. Here, click on class path. Okay, click on class path option, right? If you are working with normal Java project. If you are working with Maven project, you will not be able to see this thing. Okay. Normal Java project, you will be able to see class path and say add external jar. So I want to add external jars available, right? So that is in my downloads. In the downloads, I have this Selenium thing. So I will select everything here. But there is a lib folder also. So I'm not selecting that as of now. So let's unselect it. So these all jars I want to select, I'll say open. That's it. Again, one more thing you have to uh, add. So go to X class path again, say add external jar. And now this time go inside the lib folder and do again Control A, select all, click on open and say apply and close. That's it. Once you do that, you will be able to see that there is one more folder created, reference libraries. So all the jars which you have added will be visible here. Fine. Now the question is how to write my first Selenium code. So that is like this. So what I want to do, I want to open a browser. Let's say I want to open Edge browser. So the code is web driver, do control and space, and it will show you the, all the, options available to this, right? So let me save it. Let me refresh this first. Hold on. And I will do again WebDriver control space. It is showing me option. I'll click enter. And I'll say WebDriver is equals to new Edge driver. Let's say I want to open Edge browser. So I'll write it like this. So with this line, what you're doing is you are, you know, creating an object of Edge driver. So obviously Edge driver is probably created by like Edge developers, right? So they provides you this, and it it will give, the reference to the DR. It's like this once the object is created. So basically, when you say new Edge driver, it opens new Edge browser, and the control will be given to this. Now the question is, what is WebDriver? So WebDriver is one of the component of Selenium, and very important one, it is interface. This is the interface provided by the Selenium core team. Okay, so every browser, whenever some new browser, they want to provide their own way of implementing the browser automation in Selenium way, they have to, implement all the functions provided by WebDriver interface. It's like this. Okay, that's it. If I'll write it like this and I will do right click and say run as Java application, you will be able to see that it will open Edge browser. Let's wait. Let's wait. Yes, it has opened. It has opened with Edge browser. But now what I want to do, I want to open a website, right? So, or I want to maximize it because it has opened in probably 3/4 part of my screen. So to maximize it, the function is driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. This is the function to maximize the window. I am not going to talk about Selenium code today. It's just opening the browser part as of now. Okay. Now, I want to open the website. Which website? ereal.in. This one. So I'll copy this path and I will go back and the function is driver dot get and this is the website. So whatever website name you will put dr.get and whatever in the double quote within the circular bracket you will put, that particular website will get open. So let's see what will happen now. Let's wait. Yeah, it has opened, it has maximized, it has opened this website. I have not done anything. It has done like automatically through the code. That's it. Now the question is how you should learn ahead, right? So I am going to provide you, though you should not do it. I'm again saying you should not do in this way. I am searching if I have made any tutorial about it. Let me search that quickly. So in this channel, have I made it any? I'm just checking. In my playlist, Selenium Java automation for beginner. I have made it. I made it. But don't use this as of now. This learn Java easily. I have already provided you. There is testology channel. Go there. This one and playlist. And in the playlist, if you will see, do you have Selenium? Yes, this one. Selenium automation and Java. You can follow this. You can follow this playlist. So I'm clicking on view full playlist. So you can start from the chapter 1 if you want to. Okay. I will give you this in chat window right now. So only difference is, earlier the code was setting the system property and then writing. So there was one more line required here, like system dot set property, something like that. And there you have to provide where is your driver available, exe part, path and all. That is not required now, nothing. So if in my tutorial, you will see that, don't follow that. Just start your code with this. Rest of the things are fine, same thing, right? But your code should start with WebDriver driver is equals to edge driver. Okay. Another thing is about Java part that I have already shared, right? So basically, you should not directly jump to Selenium. Learn Java first. So Java is easy. This particular uh, playlist I have created so that you can learn Java first, right? It's better you learn Java first and then go to the Selenium part. Okay. So I am putting it here somewhere in the note that if you want to learn Java first, do this thing. And then if you want to learn Selenium, you can follow one more playlist, which is this. Let me go back to my notepad. Hold on. Selenium. Selenium is this. It's same. It's looking the same. I've shared in the chat window, so you can easily get it from there. Okay. That's it, guys. Now, if you have any question, let me know.